Hey, I've got another dress opening. My hair is growing out at the moment. I'm really sorry about this whole situation, but we have a dress. We have a very much sought after dress. We have a dress that's arrived in a box with a hole in it. So we're gonna open this up. I think there should be the dress and the head bow and another head bow that my friend picked up for me. I'm keeping this rather secret, and I don't know why, because I'm going to obviously put the name in the title of the video, but this is my honey cake JSK from the re-release. How on earth do you open these? So I bought this from my friend Livy, who is like honey cake queen. Honey cake I've been on and off for years, and then I've really got into it. We've even got the necklace now. Sticky. There it is. She is vibing in there. There we go. You can see into the box. So yeah, I also asked if Livy could pick up for me a head bow from Lace Market, because it's like $35 shipping for one head bow. So it's the Magic Princess bow in lavender. I've been looking for this for years. And yeah, I was like, would you mind if this isn't something you're after? And she said she wasn't, so she got me the bow. That's really cute. So, oh, this is nice. So this is the bow for honey cake. I think we've got really good like fabric placement. This is the thing I've picked up from being in a Loungefly collector community. I'm now like, it's got good placement. And then we've got JSK. Oh, there's more things in here. I'm gonna see. She's included. Oh, she sent me some stickers. I love when people send stickers and things. I'm really bad at doing it myself. She's written me a little note. Says, hope you enjoy and can't wait to see your cords. We should twin sometime in all the dresses we share, Livy. Yes, we should. We absolutely should. And there's some cute Unreal paper. I love the meters. Also, I'm really sorry if you can hear guitar music. My mum's a teacher and I'm currently at my parents' and she's teaching downstairs. And yeah, she's included some stickers. We've got a giraffe. We've got a Gudetama. Is he skateboard? Oh no, he's in some traditional Japanese clothing. It looked like he was skateboarding. I'm not wearing my glasses. We've got another Gudetama who just left. And Isabel. And this cute little bee patch. I might put the bee on my camp blanket. That's so cute. Thank you, Livy, if you are watching, for the provision of Gudetamas. Anyway, we need to get on to the main event of the honey cake JSK. Here we have the honey cake re-released JSK in the yellow colourway. I really like this polyester. Why is everyone hating it? I guess it's because I have never felt the original. But yeah. Here we have it. Oh, it's definitely like way cuter when you actually get it in person. I am vibing. This is great. Ice cream waffles, milk, pancake mix, chocolate syrup. A tin of cherries, and the very important bear. No, this is super cute. What I, for some reason, hadn't realised. So it's the round neck cut, which was the original JSK. There'll be some honey cake expert in my comments like, no, actually you're wrong. You don't know anything. So apologies. And then the back, which is now got full back showing. Very stretchy. Apparently this goes up to 127 busts, so we will see. The buttons are clear yellow. What it's not picking up is actually quite how yellow this is. Like, my camera is picking this up really pastel. I think there's some kind of like setting I need to play around with, because it's not quite getting the ferocity of this yellow. So they have like the nice outline, just shaded versions. of the icons from the print. I think this is a really nice way to see them. I really vibe with the chocolate syrup bottle, but I literally know it's just a Hershey's bottle that they've like redesigned. Oh, bottle. Hershey's bottle. I am too English for this. But no, I'm so excited for this. I'm gonna probably record it with white first, just because that's the easiest. I mean, I could do something completely bonkers with this. This is Meta's Sweets collection. It's from 2006, but it's got cherries on it. So here we are with it on. It's a nice fit. I am vibing with this. I have put it on just over the OP I'm wearing. We've got a little bit of like odd pulling around here, which is strange because there's definitely like more room, but I think that's because I've tied the waist ties. The strap's a little odd on my shoulder. I don't know if I need to shorten it or not, but I'm really into this. Yes, I'm not wearing a petty, but all things can be sorted with one. Yeah, we've still got quite a bit of room for comfort. I put the headbow on with my headband and it looks ridiculous, but no, it's really comfy. And if you're around my size, definitely 10 out of 10. Would recommend getting the re-release of Honeycake. So I will see you next time.